Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to ask Gemini to edit a photo in Saree in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to create an AI Saree photo with your face using Google Gemini, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To ask Gemini to edit a photo in a Saree, first of all, open the Gemini app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. A pop-up will appear with different setting options. From here, tap on Gallery. Now, browse your phone gallery and select the photo you want to edit and add a Saree to the photo. After selecting the photo, tap on the Add button. Now, type your instruction clearly in the chat box. Describe what type of photo you need to create. You can type the prompt exactly as I enter it here. You can also add extra details if you want a specific design, style, or color of Saree. Now, tap on Send to confirm your request. Gemini will process your image and show you the edited photo with the Saree. Once the edited photo appears, tap on the Download or Save button to store it in your device's gallery. Your photo is now successfully edited into a Saree style using Gemini.